Hey everybody. So, in light of the holiday season, we figured we'd make some eggnog. Now, I'm 35 years old and I've never tried eggnog before in my life. And these guys haven't either.
Mama thinks it's gross.
Yeah. I don't even know if Mommy's tried it before either. Anyways, we found this recipe on TikTok by B. Dylan Hollis. And it looked pretty good, so we figured, hey, why not? So we're gonna make it from scratch. So we'll see how it goes. Start off by putting 2 cups of milk and 1 cup of cream in a pan to scald with 4 cloves and a tablespoon of cinnamon. I use ground cloves because I don't have whole cloves. Then you take 5 eggs and you separate them. The yolks you mix with 1 cup of sugar, and you set the whites to the side for later. Okay, so we're done scalding our milk and our heavy cream. So we're going to take and put half of this in with our egg yolks to temper them, because we don't want scrambled eggs out of them. Once they're tempered, we'll add the rest into it and then put it back on the burner. And we're going to let it cook until it thickens. Okay, so we put the whole mixture back on the burner, and now we're supposed to let it cook till it thickens. So that's what we're doing. I have to say, it does smell really good. Growing up, my parents never drank eggnog, so they always said it was nasty, so I just took their word for it. But I don't know. I may have a change of heart after this. We'll see.
Mama told Mommy the exact same thing, because she still thinks eggnog is gross, even if I don't even think she tried it.
We'll see. So now we're going to take our egg whites, which we had left over, and we're going to whip them till they have stiff peaks. And we're going to add a little bit of sugar to it. So we'll get that going now. So we beat our egg whites till we have stiff peaks. So we're going to take this and we're going to add it to our stove mixture, which we've had cooling for just a little bit. We're going to gently fold it in, and then we're going to add some vanilla and a little bit of nutmeg, and then we're going to chill it. Kind of gross.
Hopefully this does not turn to scrambled eggs, because it's chunky. This is good. Hallelujah, it's not hot enough to get scrambled eggs.
Okay, so we just finished it.
It tastes like so good.
We were afraid that it was still too hot and the egg whites started to scramble, but they didn't. I got them mixed in the best I can. We're going to let this cool in the fridge, and we tried a little lick on the spoon here, and I gotta say, that's pretty dang good.
It tastes like really sweet applesauce.
It's still warm, but we're going to put it in the fridge and go from there. Guys think about our first endeavor with eggnog?
Delicious. It's like a hint of ginger in it. Yeah, it tastes like gingerbread. It does kind of.
Okay, so after you cool it and it gets chilled, whatever, it does get really, really thick. A little too thick for my liking. So I added a little bit of milk to all of ours to thin it just a little bit. But it does taste really, really good. So I don't know what I was missing this whole time. That's pure Christmas right there, guys.
Daddy, because there's a lot of sugar and that versus a lot of water.
That's very good.
Daddy.
Highly recommend this recipe. Check it out in the description. And go check out that guy's page. His name's B. Dylan Hollis. He's got a YouTube page too. He does the YouTube shorts. But he's also on TikTok, so go check him out. He's got a lot of cool recipes. So this recipe in itself was from the year 1895. So it's pretty sweet.